Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the Nugget Ice Maker and the DUMOS Ice Maker. In this video, we will explore their features, specifications, and performance to help you make an informed decision. We'll dive into their ice production capabilities, the types of ice they produce, and their overall design and usability. Let's find out which ice maker is the best fit for your kitchen or outdoor gatherings. The Nugget Ice Maker produces chewable nugget ice, which is perfect for cocktails and beverages, providing a unique texture that many ice enthusiasts love. In contrast, the DUMOS Ice Maker produces bullet ice, which comes in two sizes. While bullet ice is versatile and works well in various drinks, it may not have the same appeal as nugget ice for those who prefer a softer, chewable option. When it comes to ice production, the Nugget Ice Maker takes the lead with an impressive output of 34 pounds of ice in 24 hours. This makes it ideal for larger gatherings or frequent use. On the other hand, the DUMOS Ice Maker produces 26 pounds of ice in the same time frame, which is still decent, but may not meet the demands of larger parties as effectively as the Nugget model. In terms of build quality, the Nugget Ice Maker features a durable stainless steel construction, which not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also ensures longevity. The DUMOS Ice Maker, while more affordable, is made from plastic, which may not be as durable over time. This difference in materials can impact the overall user experience and the product's lifespan. In conclusion, both the Nugget Ice Maker and the DUMOS Ice Maker have their unique strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize chewable ice and faster production, the Nugget Ice Maker is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still gets the job done, the DUMOS Ice Maker is a solid choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.